I know you feel like giving up. Lonely road is what I'm on, chasing dreams. That's all I know what you mean. I ain't gon' blow here. I feel like giving up. Lonely road is what I'm on, chasing dreams. That's all I know what you mean. I ain't gon' blow here.
You're a being on this earth, allowed to feel like giving up. Trials and tribulations got your blue britches off in a bunch, and you're standing at the ledge contemplating you're about to jump, and then you think about your loved ones, all your friends that lift you up. Memories play back and now you're taking steps back. This is one of the few times it's positive to backtrack, and when you start to moving forward, don't forget to reach back into your neighborhoods, those places on the other side of the tracks. Relax, it ain't you, you're a vessel for a reason. Tendency to speak the truth every time the speaker is breathing. Most beautiful thing is when the soul starts believing, plant seasoned and achieving what them haters couldn't see. And if you look into your soul, there's a champion camping in a tent called faith under your skin, waiting patiently for his chance to get in. But don't take too long, I'm hungry, man. Hunger is knocking.
Lonely road is what I'm on, chasing dreams. That's all I know. I ain't gon' blow, here I is. Lonely road is what I'm on, chasing dreams. That's all I know what you mean. I ain't gon' blow, here I is.
Man, here I am, man. I ain't going nowhere. You know what I mean? Family again, man. I appreciate you. Know what I mean? And life, you know, you gotta get out there and chase your dreams when nobody else believes in them except for you. You know what I mean? That's the most important thing. As long as you believe in it, don't matter what nobody else think. Go out there and do your thing, man. And not to say that you won't fail or you won't hit those road bumps and obstacles in the road, but it's how you get through them, man. Don't stay down. You gotta get up, get back on your horse, go get them, man. Life ain't gonna fall in your lap, man. Go get it. I know it get lonely sometimes. I know you feel like giving up sometimes. Me too. It's all good. Do you, man. Family, I appreciate you. Y'all stay blessed. One love.